Good morning, class. Are you fine this morning? I hope you are fine and stay home safely. Alright, today the first session we focus on Hangout 5. Do you have the textbook near you, everyone? Good job. Okay, and we nearly finished all the lesson in our book, right? Today we still continue the review 3. And today we continue to page 110. Okay, so now open the book all together on page 110. Are you at the same page? Good job. Okay, so in this page we focus only one part, right? Part D. Look at part D all together, everyone. D. Look and read. Alright? Yes or no? Okay, so now please look at the picture all together. So what do you see in the picture, everyone? You see 4 students or 4 people, right? But you see a lot of desktop computer on the desk, right? Okay, so what else can you see? Yeah, you can see some material around them. It's like the school, right? So maybe they study computer, right? Okay, so now after looking at the picture or try to understand the picture, now read the sentences, 7 sentences with me all together. Okay, now read. 1. The students are using a mouse. Okay, so do they have a mouse? Look at the picture. Yes or no? 2. You can see more laptops behind the students. More laptops behind the students. 3. The first computer is the smallest. Is it the smallest? Okay, look at the picture carefully and then answer, right? 4. There are 4 people using desktop computers. 5. Everyone is watching a quiz show. Is it true? Watching a quiz show? 6. The keyboards are not very colorful. Is it correct? 7. No one is typing on their keyboards. No one is typing on their keyboards. Okay, so after looking at the picture and reading the 7 sentences, I have 30 seconds for you to complete this exercise. Just write yes or no after the statement, okay? If you think this is yes, so you write yes here. If you think this is no, so you write no here, okay? And after that, I'll correct for you, okay? Now, do it. Finish, everyone? Good job. Okay, so now let's check the answer all together. Number 1, the students are using a mouse. Do they have a mouse with their desktop computer? Look at the picture. Can you see a mouse, everyone? Alright, okay. So they also use a mouse. So, yes. Alright, so now let's continue to the second sentence. You can see more laptops behind the students. Can you see more laptops behind the student? No, right? Okay, only a lot of desktop computers in front of them. Okay, so this one it must be no. Alright, so now let's continue to the third sentence. The first computer is the smallest. Okay, you can look at the first computer here. Is it the smallest? No, right? It's Yes, simple. The same size. All desktop computer here are the same size, right? Okay, so this one, no. Okay, so now look at number 4. There are 4 people using desktop computers. 4 people. Let's count all together, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, correct. So it must be yes. Okay, so now let's continue to number 5. Everyone is watching a quiz show. Do you see a quiz show on the screen? Not a quiz show, right? So this one, it must be no. Okay, so now let's continue to number 6. The keyboards are not very colorful. Okay, so we only see the black keyboards, right? Not colorful. So it must be yes. Alright, so now let's continue to number 7. No one is typing on their keyboards. Do you see anyone typing? No one, right? Yeah, they just keep their hand on their mouse or something like that, right? They don't type on the keyboards. So it must be yes. Okay, so now we finish part D, and I hope your answers are also correct. Okay, so this is the end of our first video, and see you in the second session.